Hey guys, we're here in a 2016 Ford Explorer, push button start, all keys lost. You can see we got an active alarm as well. See the hazard flashing the lights. We're going to attempt to emulate here using 1250. We got our ADC-2020 cable right here ready to go. Program keys. Yes, it is an active alarm. Ignition is off. Okay. Battery's good. We have our programming pocket right down here in the center console, the very front. I'm going to go through, see if we can't turn the alarm off this way. Sorry, we had the wrong emulator. It's actually ADC-2020. Let's try this again. And I'll hold it down here in the center console. See if we can get this ignition to turn on. And there we are. Everything turned on. Okay, so we're going to hit OK. Access gained, OK. No, we do not want to clear. So we're going to stick our key here in the slot. As you guys can see right there. 2 keys. We're going to hit OK. There we are. Do we want to add another key? We're going to hit no. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this off. Open our door. All right, there we are. 2016 Ford Explorer push to start. All keys lost with an active alarm using the ADC-2020 to emulate a working key to deactivate the alarm and get it going. Brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.